Hey, I was just filming a video about blending your eyeshadow, and it just occurred to me, there's like this, there's this thing that happens every once in a while. Well, no, it happens pretty much every single time I do my eyeshadow, and it's such a random tip, but I feel like it's something that people probably experience without even really recognizing it. It took me a really long time to think about it. And it is that once you've applied eyeshadow to one eye, I obviously have done one eye here, but like I pretty much always start with like one eye and then I go to the next one. But something that you need to keep in mind is that like the first time you're dipping your brush into your eyeshadow, you are going in with a clean brush, right? So you're picking up a certain amount of eyeshadow and then you're going and placing it down on your eye, right? So then when you go to do your next eye, you already have some eyeshadow on that brush, right? So there's always going to be some left over. Even if you just like buff the shit out of it, like I always do on a paper towel or my Sigma switch, there's still going to be like a little bit. So what you want to keep in mind, I wasn't using this palette, what the f, is you want to go in with less this time around. So when you first apply your eyeshadow, maybe you pick up a certain amount of product. This time around, you want to apply a little bit less. So just tap in maybe once. I usually tap in like once, tap off, tap back in, tap off, and then apply on my first eye. For my second eye, I'm just going to tap in once, tap off, and then start blending. Because I'm just assuming that a lot of you have had this problem, like I have, where, you know, you do this eye with your transition shade or whatever, your first shade, and then you start blending, you pick up eyeshadow and you start blending on this side and you're like, why is there so much more product on this eye? I don't understand. Anyway, this is just like a little thing that you have to be cognizant of, something that I've noticed, and I feel like it probably happens to more people than we even know. So yeah, super random. I hope that's helpful in some way. I just wanted to like pop in here and give that little tip as like kind of a bonus because it's an affliction that probably affects all of us. So yeah, balance. I'm obsessed with symmetry. That's it. I don't even know how to end this video. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful. I'm gonna go. Let me know if there's any whatever stuff you want to see. Bye. I gotta finish this eye.